Welcome back viewers. After watching the review of Bodhi Linux, one question will naturally come to your mind. Since it is based on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, does Bodhi Linux contain snaps? So we will test this out whether Bodhi Linux contains snaps or not. So for that you have to open the terminal and here you have to type sudo snap install. Let us install Thunderbird. So sudo snap command will use snaps to install the Thunderbird. So the Thunderbird snap should be installed if snap is there by default. Let us see. So the snap command is not found. So that means snap has not been installed by default in Bodhi Linux. So this will clear the doubts for many of the users because most of the users don't want snap. I am not a snap hater. Snap has its own positivities, pros and cons. Though in the Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, the system appears to be slow, it is running slow, but that has been overcome in the rolling release of Ubuntu LTS, that is the 23.10. Also, I can see the snap performance has been improved. So Ubuntu is definitely working on the improvement of snap. So you should not see snap as a evil. Yes, there will be some telemetry because it is a corporate company. They will always watch the performance of their system. So there will be some telemetry, but we can what I can say is that we should not be paranoid. So let us not be paranoid. Let us see if the things improve. And I am seeing that the snap performance is now improving in the coming rolling releases of Ubuntu, and those performance enhancements will be transferred to the LTS versions of Ubuntu that are going to come in the near future. So with this I will stop the video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.